is our string action. So I'm just going to bring the camera back around again. So action, again, it's fairly subjective. If you're not sure, probably a good starting point is about 2.4 mil on the 12th fret. Just remember you're measuring from the top of the fret to the underside of the string, and about 1.6 on the high E side. So what you're going to do is just run your steel rule across the top of the frets. And that's probably just a little bit high. And we're pretty good on the high E side. So when you're adjusting your action, we're just turning the two bridge posts. So as I said, this action is just a little high. So to reduce that, just to drop that down, I would tighten this, and that will recess the post further into the bushing, and that will lower the action. And that's pretty much spot on. Okay, so the last thing we need to check is the intonation. Now the intonation is just checking the guitar's in tune with itself. Now you might notice, if you look at the bridge, for example, it's on an angle, and that's to compensate for the additional mass of these strings. So I'll just bring the camera around again. So I'll just check our tuning again. Now tuning will change definitely since we made an adjustment to the post. And as you can see, I'm tuned. And when I fret at the 12th fret, which is an octave up, we should also be seeing an E on our tuner. So if I bring the camera back around, you can see we're actually quite sharp. Now it's important that you hit with the same attack. And because we're sharp, we need to compensate more for the mass of that string. So we need to adjust the scale length of that string. What I would do next is just make minor adjustments to the individual saddles. So you'll see intonation screws on the inside of the bridge. Now if I turn that counterclockwise, that's going to push that saddle further back on the bridge. You can see this is the point of contact for the strings between the saddle and the nut, so that has increased the length of the vibrating string now. If I bring the camera around now, you can see we're still a little sharp, but we're much closer. So again, you can make more wholesale changes by adjusting the screws here. Now obviously the tighter that screw is, the less or the more the angle is favouring the low E string or the bass strings. And you can then make minor adjustments with the individual saddles. So turn counterclockwise to move the saddle back further in the bridge, clockwise obviously to bring it forward. You would bring it forward if the note was flat at the 12th fret.